So apparently my hair is starting to look like this anime character's hair. It is going pretty crazy, people. What's up? Check it out. Trust me, it's clean, but it is stay at home, physical distancing crazy right now. What's up, parents and teachers? It's me, Seth, SethPerler.com. Hope you're doing well. I'm really excited you're here today because I'm really excited to share my site with you. So during this stay-at-home time, I've been spending a lot of time doing a lot of projects, getting over my own executive function hurdles, and really doing a lot of good stuff. And it's been very hard, but this is one of the positive things that have come out of it is I've really been working very hard on creating this executive function quiz that I hope is really helpful, particularly for new people who are not familiar with it, and then my site. So I'm going to talk to you about both of those so that you, parents and teachers, know more about how it works. You can get more out of it. Hopefully you'll share it with more people who can also get more out of it to learn more about my ideas about how we can help more kids who struggle with executive function so that they can have a great life. Let's dive into the site right here. Here's how I designed it. And I'm looking for any and all feedback on this. I really want to know what you like about it so that I keep that and I can see what people are saying. And then what you don't like or you think should be tweaked. I don't know what it's like for you as a brand new user or someone brand new to it coming here. And there's so much content on here that I want people to be able to find what they need easily. So what I did here on the main page is articulated the entire main page in a more authentic way that is more me, got away from a more generic sounding voice and got more into my voice here. And I tried to make it shorter because my last one was quite long. The stuff from the last one that was quite long, I added here because this way they can dive into sort of the a little more depth about what I'm doing here there. So basically it starts here. It moves into the old video, the three or 5 minute video, quick executive function one. I will be redoing this. It just takes me a really long time to really produce a really tight video. So I'll be redoing this eventually and replacing that. Then I have the quiz you can access right here. And I want your feedback on the quiz for sure. And then I have the quiz here, but I also have other places with graphics so that people can find what they're looking for more easily here. And then I have a testimonial here, and then you can sign up here. So I really thinned out the homepage, tried to make it easier for people to get where they're trying to get to. The about page is the same as the start page that I used to have. And this one, it goes in depth so people can really see what I'm about and what the point is here and where they can go with this and what they can get out of it. And if this is what they're looking for in terms of helping their kid. The blog is the same blog, but it looks a lot different. I think it looks great. I'm really excited about how it just looks very clean. And I'm going to work on other things. Like it only shows five or 10 at a posts at a time. And I would like it to have a lot so people don't have to keep clicking from page to page. Then if you go into an actual post, it shows the post. I am uploading all transcripts, hundreds of transcripts to every single blog post. So for those very few of you that like to read transcripts, the transcripts will be available. We're going through them, we're reading them, we're editing them, and painstakingly putting them all up here. So those will be up there soon. We have 5 up now. They just take a really long time, and it costs a lot of money for me and my team to pay my team to. We literally read every single word of every one. So bear with us while we get that going. The offerings, this is pretty much the same. So that hasn't changed. I may tweak it a little bit. The resources is the same. I don't know how many people use this, but I put a lot of time into developing this so people could have an easier way. I'm going to try to make it more graphic. Sorry for talking so fast. I just am always trying to communicate quickly because I know people have a life, and I really appreciate you taking the time to listen. Anyhow, this here, I'm going to add some graphics to it to make it easier for people to find what they're looking for in the resources page. And then each page, for example, if they were to go to the blog articles, since the index stinks on the site, I literally made my own index, again, painstakingly one by one, putting it all on here. And this is just a lot of upkeep. I don't even know if people use it, and I'm definitely interested in your feedback if people even care about this stuff here, or how I should configure it so people can find what they're looking for. This is brand new, and this is just some, I'll add to it probably about 10 or 20 more things, but I just wanted a simpler frequently asked questions page. One of my old students recommended this to me, and I like the idea a lot. So I'm going to keep that. And then there's the login if you are in any of my courses. And then let's go back to the homepage and check out this quiz here. So you go down to get to the quiz right here, and this is where you start the quiz, or this is where you start the quiz. So let's start it from this point right here. And then I have a 1:20 video talking about the quiz so people know what they're getting into. This is more going to be for people who are brand new to the site, because any of you that have been following me probably already know what I would tell you on the quiz. What I did is I broke it down into 4 different parts where your kid can have one of 4 main executive function profiles. And I sort of explain in the results what that looks like and what you need to know wherever your kid is. If your kid's at a 1, 2, 3, or 4, what do you need to know? So if I do this and add in my name and email address, his name is Brian there, and then this tells you a little bit about the quiz. My assistants are amazing. We've been working really hard to make this look beautiful and every detail of this. So anyhow, you start the quiz, and then it takes you through the different questions. And there are about 15 questions, and you answer on a 1 through 4. You know, my child's grades does not represent the potential, and they often have excellent excuses about why their grades are suffering. And then yep, that's exactly my child, for example. And then you click continue, and it goes to the next question. After you've done all of the questions, then I email you a result. And what I did on these results is I literally made a results page, and then I made a video for every single one to really go in depth and be like, your kid's at this level, this is what you need to know. And then I'm going to make it so you can watch all the different people's results if you want, but you'll be directed to yours and stuff like that. So anyhow, and then people will be signed up for the blog after that as well, and they'll get my Sunday updates. Anyhow, I would love any and all feedback that you have about the site, about the quiz. I'm not done with it. I may redo all the videos. I have no idea yet, but I just want to make something that can stand by itself, that can stand the test of time, really be out there on my site, and really help people get their feet wet and understand whether it's a parent or a teacher, help them understand what's going on with the kid that you're thinking about and what you need to know to at least get started in this. Thanks again for your time. I do hope that you are safe and healthy, and that the mental toll that this is taking is very, very not impactful on you and the people you care about. All right. Be well. Take care.